Hello, my name is Maïté Draws and I love making stickers. So today I am going to explain to you how to make your own. So, do you like Pokemons? Do you like little small Pokemon? You can make these stickers with only a sheet of sticker paper. Easy. But I'm also going to explain to you guys how to make stickers with a bit of holographic, like this one. Can you see the holographic? Yeah, you can see the holographic. So this is the type of holographic we want to use today, and we are gonna make a huge sticker like this one. This one is quite huge. Like usual stickers are this size or this size. This one is cute. This one is cute. Like he's the new one. You can be anything. Thank you. Okay, so the aim today is for us to create our own big sticker at home, easily. So I'm gonna be using a Cricut, but you can just use your scissors. I mean, I made a ton of stickers just using scissors, so you're gonna be just fine doing that. Our aim for the moment is to create the design of the sticker. I started sketching while I was at work my design for the Squirtle Gang. I created a sketch on a sheet of paper while I was at work because I can't bring my iPad at work. So once the design is made, it can go on the iPad. A good sticker design is going to be a design where you don't have a lot of blank space. You know, this design, he's quite cute, but that blank space here can be a bit of an issue and design wise. I made it blue so it doesn't look as awkward as if it was white, but yeah. I should have probably designed it to have the hole in the middle, but for some reasons I didn't. So right now you've already started watching the speed paint, so I'm working on Procreate here. I'm not trying to make the design too difficult, so I am trying to just make the layout, get the base, make sure the silhouette is fine and doesn't have a lot of blank spaces, just so that when I cut it out it doesn't look awkward. But this one seems just fine. I'm going to start putting the colors in. I'm gonna try and give each Squirtle a different kind of blue so that they don't just look all alike. Once I've got my flat colors in, I'm gonna start shading. I just want to explain something about shading and rendering your stickers. It's not like doing a print. A print, when it's on A4 paper, it's amazing. You can see all of the details. Remember, please guys, that when your sticker is that small, and it is a big sticker, but when it is that small, you can't see that many details. So why bother putting that much rendering in it? It's not gonna get out. You're not gonna see it when it's printed out. So don't over render it. It's useless, okay? I'm sorry. I know some of you guys love rendering, but please don't over render your stickers. It's not gonna show up. So try and simplify your process just for the sticker drawing. That's just what I wanted to say. So, what material do I use? I've got my amazing printer here and my Cricut is just behind me, but the most important part is the paper where you print it on. So I'm gonna put the reference somewhere here, and the aim is to use our sticker sheet. That is the most simple, and you don't have to buy a very expensive one for it to work. So I'm just using a very basic sticker sheet from Amazon, and it is the cheapest one you can find on the market. So once I printed it in my inkjet printer, I used these. Oh my god, the lightning is horrible. Oh, can you see it? You can slightly see it. I am sorry, but this is supposed to be holographic.
And I am sad.
What we're gonna do is, now that the design is done, we are gonna print it on this paper. I hope this video was useful and lots of love to you guys. If you are interested in using any of the material that I've showed today, all of the links are just underneath the video. And if you're interested in seeing my own stickers, the link to my sticker shop is also down there. Bye!